Hi, I'm Hugh, and in this video I'm turning most typical colleagues into 7 emojis. The first victim of this judgmental entertainment is the guy who goes on a smoking break every 30 minutes, or any type of break, this is a metaphor, okay? And the breaks are at least 1 hour long, which according to maths makes it a 2-hour working day. I used the slightly shocked emoji, but I will change his mouth further in the process. Trust me, it'll be for the better. The eyes are the vibes of the soul, is that what they say? And so for the vibes I used the tired emoji. Then I smashed the eye onto the base, erased the pupil, and added new ones that I can move around to redirect his gaze. I colored the white part of his eyes red. Actually, I'm not really sure you can get those from cigarettes, although I never said those were cigarettes. And then I added another vital detail, the eye bags. But this cig didn't look hyperbolic enough for him. Make him smoke an absurdly big cigarette, an enormous one, literally frightening. I separated the cigarette from the smoke and pulled it. Please, don't try this at home, stop. I fixed the mouth to be as wide as possible and spent all my creative skills, the liquify tool, to adjust the eyes, to make it like the guy was absolutely lost in the sauce. I erased an old eye bag and tried to draw a new one, using colors from the old mouth. But the colors were awful, so I made the eye bag with a more suitable brownish violet color and added a shadow to the cig. The colleague was done. I don't believe in destiny or fate, but I'm pretty sure this guy isn't getting fired anytime soon. The first Pokemon is done, but there are still another 6 species waiting to be spotted. The next colleague is a living equivalent of social media, the one who spills tea, or sips. He's the fastest way to spread any information, most useless ones especially. And he is not the only one with such a passion, stay tuned. I started with the crazy face emoji, took his smile as a base and added a second line of teeth. Not like a shark teeth, just biting the tongue, to make this excited and mischievous look. Then I made it a bit more expressive using the liquify tool. Eyebrows are a frame of your face, or whatever they say, and his emoji can't be complete without them. For the tea part, I used the fist emojis to make the extra tight grip on your dirty secrets. And using one of the most useless emojis ever, I made the pouring tea from the kettle. I thought that was the perfect match, but just like with everything in dating, it's complicated. I duplicated the stream emoji a few times to make a solid stream, but the result was rather horrific, so I draw it by hand. The useless emoji appeared to be useless once again. Breaking news! At least something had to be easy. I changed coffee in the cup to tea and returned to his face, and as a final touch I added wrinkles near eyebrows, a smirk, and squinted his eyes. That's it. Does he know something about you that even you don't know? New day, new reason to get your anxiety worse. 2 emojis are done and the other 5 are on their way. And to increase the anxiety even more, the next one is gonna be your boss's favorite, the colleague who treats you like their personal assistant. I started with a smile, just like everything that's about to traumatize you. Then added the creepiest eyes I could find. This matched the crazy gaze of someone who knows exactly what she's doing. Oh yes, it's a she. I added lips so the smile would look even wider, and deformed them a bit with the liquify tool. It's all about kindness and empathy. Moving to the eyebrows, I made them angry. She's really passionate about her actions, and now she looks like a diva, not gonna lie. Boom! Fantastic hair makeover. She also needed a hand to fit all the work she doesn't want to do. I deformed it with the perspective tool so all the papers would fit and stacked them on top of one another. After that, I made the eyebrows even more expressive with wrinkles and made them cover her eyes a bit. And after the finishing touches to the mouth and eyes, I polished everything with a period. What a precious lady. I wish her explosive diarrhea. Best regards, me. We're done with the unpleasant ones, thankfully, and there are 4 more coworkers to meet. I was gonna make the master of work-life balance, the guy who leaves right at 5 PM. A clock is the first step, of course. I used an alarm emoji because it looked better than the default clock one. I erased everything we didn't need and got the perfect wall clock. A little playing around with the timeline and it's 5 PM now. For the character himself, I took a runner emoji. It's 4:55, you gotta run, buddy. The only parts we need are his leg and an arm. I gave him a briefcase so he looked like a distinguished worker. And after that I did something comparable to assembling IKEA furniture. I made a table out of a chair, 3 chairs to be correct. I wanted composition to feel more dynamic, so I changed the arm position, cut out the hand, filled the gap, and rotated the arm further back. The only thing left was the workspace that he left, and here he is, or here he isn't. The next emoji is the exact opposite of the previous one, the workaholic. That dude who starts work earlier so he can finish work later. As the base, I took a base guy emoji and gave him a collar with a tie. And look how perfectly they fit. Reminded me of those videos where vacuum cleaners fit perfectly into places. I copied the arm and then moved on to his face. I shaved off the eyebrows to draw sad and tired ones. And now the key part. He is actually Shiva, the Indian god with lots of arms. And each tool or gesture in his arms represents the balance between creation and destruction, or not. I duplicated a few arms to make him look like he does all the tasks at the same time. The default item, eye bags, and a DLC feature, a nervous tick, poor thing. And then the wrinkles, they never fail to make everything look even more exaggerated. And a smile to match his madness. I gave him some papers, a laptop, an iPhone 18, a stack of coffee cups, 2 watches on his wrists so he could keep an eye on 2 timelines at once, document folders and notes. And then replaced one of the phones with something more suitable, a signal for help. Then colored the face to make him look barely hanging. And we are done. And he is done as well. I have 2 emojis left and I'd like to cheer up the mood. Here's the colleague who is very difficult to shame, the foodie. The dude eats everything without counting calories. So the first step, the cheeks. I made them out of 2 yellow circles. Second step, emotion. The eyebrows are happy this time. He is just enjoying his free will. I collected some saliva from another emoji and gave it to this one. By the way, if you want some too, subscribe to this channel. In this version, he snatched food from a team building event and packed into a file folder. A piece of cake, pizza and cookies are the classics. And I felt much like his mother while packing this lunch. I added a few more folds to the file so it looked filled and some shadows so the food sits there naturally as well. He chased his lunch with a big cup of coffee. This time I used the existing emoji right away. His face looked too clean. It needed a little bit of shaping, so I added some crumbs around his mouth and started working on the expression. Like a plastic surgeon I am. I cut out the eyes from a not so happy emoji and now he started looking really stuffed. And there you have it, the cereal bar burglar is done. As long as he doesn't steal your food and your company covers it, you don't care. And now to the last and most controversial emojis of the bunch. The Gen Z creature. Love them or hate them, but you're never indifferent. They are the source of cursed humor and mysterious workflows. I've already made Gen Z emojis, by the way. You can check them out after watching this video. For the base, I chose this shy emoji. Compared to the previous colleagues, this one seemed kinda childish. I added teeth to his smile and replaced the tears with rosy cheeks from smiling. And what do Gen Z do? That's right, they drink matcha. So I grabbed the shaka sign and give him his bubble matcha. I recolored the bubble tea emoji green, and it turned out looking just right. He also needs to do some working, hence he got a laptop. I added a sticker and my fave thing, Mecha Chameleon Dude. For the final touch, I moved the matcha so he could actually drink it, and that's it. Is he the most mentally stable person at the office? I hope so. So that's it. Tell me who is your favorite coworker, and remember, if they talk behind your back, fart. See you sometime this week, someday or some other week.